Hi there everyone. With this lesson I will be showing you how to do downhill parking. Now whether you have downhill with a curb or without a curb, the idea is you pull over and stop and then turn the steering wheel 1 revolution to the right. Then you park the car. So I'm gonna actually do it, but I'm doing it and showing you just how you would handle a new car, a late model car, because most of these new cars, they don't have gear selectors like the other car that I've been using to make videos for you guys. There's no gear selector in the console. It's only on the steering column. So I'm gonna do a downhill parking and show you the sequence of events using a modern car, I should say. Okay, so I'm gonna make a right turn. Yes, I'm gonna make a right turn onto the street and then I'll do the downhill parking. So, returning onto the street, I have my right signal on. And as soon as I turn, I can see that this is going downhill. So the first step is signal to the right, mirror, blind spot, get close to the curb, make a complete stop with my wheel straight so it looks like the face of a clock. Apply the parking brake, which is electronic. You just pull this and it says brake, and then you place the gear selector to neutral. Well, you could actually press the park button, but it's better for you to put it in neutral. Now, because I already applied the parking brake, see, we're going downhill and it does not move. Now, if I did not apply the parking brake and then I just place the gear selector, which is this little thing here, place it to park, then the car would actually roll, and that damages your transaxle or your transmission. So right now I have used the parking brake, and all I have to do now is press the park button, and that's it. And then turn the steering wheel 1 revolution to the right and cancel the turn signal, and that's how you would do things on the driving test. Now the examiner says, okay, let's go. So the first step is to straighten the steering wheel, get rid of the parking brake by pushing the knob right here. It's off, and then you select your gear, which is drive. So you you rotate this to the D. You can see the D. Now we're in drive. Then signal left, mirror, blind spot. Then we drive off in a straight line. Then cancel the signal, and that's how you do your downhill parking. Now this is a dead-end street, so I'm going to do a 3-point turn. So here's how we do it. Examiner says turn your car around here, so signal right, check the mirror, check your shoulder, get close to the curb, make a complete stop. Apply the left signal, get all your turns in to the left, and then you do all the check around, making sure it's okay, and if it's safe, get your car all the way over to the other side of the road, then stop. Place the gear selector to reverse, and here you have the backup camera. Then I'll turn my steering wheel all the way to the right, and it's not hurting the car. Then check like crazy as you back up. Don't hit the curb back there. Once you have sufficient room out front, you stop. Place the gear selector to drive. Look to the right everywhere. Turn your wheel, and away you go. And that's called a 3-point turn. Okay, At the stop sign ahead, it's gonna be a left turn, so we put the left signal on. And what do I have here? Do I have a white line? No. Do I have a crosswalk? No. But I go right out to the edge of the road and stop and make sure I can see clearly to the left, and I can see sufficiently to the left and right so I can make my left turn. Now at the stop sign, it's gonna be a left turn. Signal left, and what do I have here? White line? No. Sidewalk? Yes. So I stop before it. Now if I should go and just block the crosswalk and then someone riding a bike slams into my car, then it's my fault. So now I can move up so I can see more clearly to the left and right. I know there's a car approaching to the right, to the left, and it's safe to the left. It's not safe to the right, so I wait until it is. Just keep checking like crazy. Now when this truck goes by, now I'm gonna go. Hand over hand steering, end up in the right lane. Okay, pretty soon I'm gonna be making a right turn, so I place the right signal, turn the right signal on, slow it down to 20 to 25 to turn into this driveway here. And we're making another right. Hand over hand steering. And that's it. Now please like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.